Ever wished your tech could do more than just get the job done? What if your gadgets could actually make life easier, cooler, and a little more futuristic? Today, we're diving into 18 of the coolest gadgets you can find on Amazon right now, all trending in May 2025. From smart fitness trackers to foldable laptops, these picks combine cutting-edge innovation with real-world usability. First up, meet the Dyson Pencil Vac. Imagine a vacuum cleaner that looks more like a sleek, futuristic cone than a bulky household chore tool. The Pencil Vac is designed for precision cleaning, perfect for those tight corners, your desk, or even your car interior. It's lightweight, powerful, and surprisingly quiet. Recently launched in Australia, Dyson promises a US and UK release by 2026. Whether you're a neat freak or just hate dragging around a heavy vacuum, this one fits in your hand like a high-tech pen, making cleaning oddly satisfying. Switching gears to computing, let's talk about Huawei's foldable laptop. This device blew the tech world away at Computex 2025. Imagine a laptop that folds like your phone but still packs serious performance. It's perfect for anyone who wants a full-size screen that folds down to tablet size for ultimate portability. Whether you're on a plane, working from a cafe, or switching between creative tasks, this laptop adapts to your style. The foldable display uses the latest flexible OLED tech, so colors pop, and the touch experience feels smooth. This gadget bridges the gap between power and portability like never before. Now, for the gamers, MSI has entered the scene with their brand new MSI gaming console. Announced at Computex 2025, this compact powerhouse is designed to deliver high-end gaming in a much smaller package than traditional consoles. It's perfect for gamers who want a sleek setup without the bulk. With lightning-fast load times and crisp graphics powered by Intel's new Mage GPUs, which we'll cover next, this console punches way above its weight. If you thought portable gaming couldn't get any better, MSI just proved you wrong. Speaking of graphics power, Intel's Mage GPUs are making waves this year. These next-gen graphics cards promise to boost gaming and rendering capabilities dramatically. Built on the latest architecture, Mage delivers smoother gameplay, faster frame rates, and even better power efficiency. For content creators and gamers alike, this means more detailed visuals without overheating your system or draining your battery. Intel is stepping up its game, and if you want your PC to handle the latest OA games or demanding creative software, fitness buffs meet the Whoop MG Fitness Tracker, not your average step counter. This medical-grade tracker digs deep into your health metrics, giving you detailed insights on recovery, strain, and sleep quality. It's gaining attention for its accuracy and sleek design, making it something you actually want to wear 24/7. Imagine having a personal health coach on your wrist, guiding you on when to push hard and when to rest. Whether you're training for a marathon or just trying to improve your wellness, this tracker makes smart health monitoring effortless. For the photography lovers, Fujifilm's X-Half compact camera brings back that vintage vibe with a modern twist. This retro-inspired camera fits comfortably in your hand and looks stunning, but it's packed with up-to-date tech to capture crisp, vibrant shots. It's perfect for those who love the feel of classic cameras but want all the perks of digital photography. Fast autofocus, intuitive controls, and excellent image quality. Whether you're snapping street scenes or capturing family moments, this camera blends style and substance beautifully. And now check this out, the LG Stand By Me portable monitor. Imagine carrying a 27-inch 1440p display anywhere you go. This monitor is not just big, it's ultra-portable with a long-lasting battery and a handy shoulder strap for easy transport. Whether you're working remotely, gaming on the go, or streaming movies, it offers sharp, vibrant visuals in a sleek package. No more squinting at small laptop screens or being stuck in one spot. Stand By Me makes mobility stylish and practical. Let's jump into something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The SwitchBot Modular Robot. This little marvel is like a Swiss Army knife for your smart home. It's a robot with interchangeable parts that can switch between being an air purifier, a security camera, or even a remote controller for your devices. Imagine walking into your living room and your robot's already cleaned the air, checked the security cams, and is ready to help you control the lights, all with one versatile machine. It's perfect for those who love automation but want a gadget that adapts to their needs without buying a dozen different devices. Next up, the Ultrahuman Smart Ring takes health tracking to the next level with a touch of luxury. This isn't your typical fitness band. It's a sleek 18-karat gold smart ring packed with sensors that monitor your health metrics like heart rate variability and sleep quality. The idea is to wear a piece of jewelry that looks elegant but doubles as a health assistant. If you want smart tech without the bulk on your wrist, this ring is an eye-catching alternative, combining fashion and function in one brilliant package. Now, pet owners, this one's for you, the LG Aerocat Tower. This gadget is more than just an air purifier. It's a cat tree that keeps your furry friend entertained while also tracking their weight and activity levels. It connects to an app so you can keep an eye on your pet's health and environment. The Aerocat Tower blends pet care with smart home tech, making it easier to keep your cat happy and healthy, all while improving the air quality in your home. It's tech that cares about your pet as much as you do. Heading outdoors but want to keep your gadgets powered? Check out the wearable solar panel jacket by Anker. This futuristic jacket is embedded with solar cells and LED lights, allowing you to charge your devices on the go. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just out for a long walk, this jacket absorbs sunlight and keeps your phone or other gadgets juiced up without needing a bulky power bank. It's the perfect blend of fashion and function for anyone who spends time outside. For those who love gardening but hate the hassle, LG's gardening side table is a game changer. This isn't just a table, it's a mini indoor garden with an integrated lamp, automatic watering system, and even a built-in speaker. Imagine having fresh herbs or small plants right next to your couch. Sure. With the table taking care of the watering and lighting automatically. Plus, you can play some relaxing tunes while you tend to your plants, all from one stylish piece of furniture. It's perfect for urban dwellers or anyone looking to bring a little green into their living space without the usual fuss. Now, here's something truly unique: the Character Livehouse Pod. Imagine a personal pod where interactive 3D anime or customizable characters come to life using AI. Priced between $400 and $500 and launching soon via Kickstarter, this pod allows you to interact with your favorite virtual characters in real time. Whether you want a companion, a virtual assistant, or just some fun company, this gadget brings a whole new meaning to immersive entertainment. It's like stepping into your own futuristic anime world. Let's dive into the future of home wellness with the Aroio Sense Smart Diffuser. This isn't your typical diffuser. It combines aromatherapy, light therapy, and sound therapy to create a personalized relaxation experience. Whether you want to wake up energized, focus better during the day, or wind down for a peaceful night's sleep, Aroio Sense adapts to your mood with just a tap. Controlled via app or voice assistant, it's like having a wellness spa right on your nightstand.
15. If sleep troubles have been keeping you up, the Oslo Sleep Buds might just be your new best friend. These earbuds are designed specifically to block snoring and other disruptive noises, promoting deeper, more restful sleep. Unlike regular earbuds, they're tiny, comfortable, and tailor-made to help you and your partner catch some serious Z's. Perfect for light sleepers or anyone who wants to wake up feeling truly refreshed, these sleep buds use smart tech to turn your nights into peaceful retreats.
For movie lovers who want to take their entertainment outside, check out the Silvox Cinema Pro Outdoor TV. This fully weatherproof TV delivers stunning picture quality no matter the weather, rain, sun, or wind. Imagine hosting backyard movie nights, streaming your favorite shows while lounging under the stars, or gaming on a giant screen outside. It's the ultimate upgrade for anyone who wants to enjoy cinema-quality visuals without being stuck indoors. Outdoor entertainment just got a massive upgrade. Plant parents, this one's for you. The Leafy Pod AI-powered planter takes the guesswork out of growing healthy plants. Using AI, it monitors your plant's needs like water, light, and temperature, and adjusts conditions accordingly. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, this smart planter ensures your green friends thrive with minimal effort. It's like having a digital gardener who never sleeps, helping your home stay lush and vibrant. Rounding out this list is the LG Smart InstaView microwave, which turns a kitchen staple into a futuristic cooking assistant. It features an interactive touchscreen and smart cooking sensors that adjust cooking times and power based on what you're heating up. With the InstaView microwave, you get precision cooking with less guesswork. plus the ability to control it remotely from your smartphone. It's the smart kitchen upgrade that makes meal prep faster and easier. Before we finish, here are 2 bonus gadgets that tech enthusiasts will love: the Glow Home Energy Tracker and the Wayland's Secure 360 Dash Cam. The Glow Home Energy Tracker monitors your home's power consumption wirelessly and uses a glowing beacon to give real-time feedback, saving you money and reducing energy waste without complicated setups. Meanwhile, the Wayland's Secure 360 Dash Cam provides full 360-degree road coverage, keeping you safe and capturing every angle while you drive. Both are perfect examples of smart tech that makes daily life safer and more efficient. There you have it. Want to check them out for yourself? Links are in the description below, and if you enjoyed discovering these gadgets, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's always prepared for anything. Which gadget blew your mind the most? Drop your favorite in the comments. We read every one. Thanks for the watching. See you in the next one.